Now go to the cell where you want your result. After typing equal to write VLOOKUP, then open the bracket and select the lookup value after the comma. Now select the table range from where you want your data. After comma, write the column number that we want returned. I write 2 because my employee name is in the second column of the table. After comma, write 0 and close the bracket and press enter. Now, write any ID which is present in the table and you will get the employee name related to that ID. That's the beauty of this function. In the second example, we are finding the all three columns details related to the employee ID. Follow the video and you will understand how to find all columns data using one VLOOKUP formula.